So I was like, nah.
Man, that's been a while.
It's disgusting though.
Yeah. Oh, diba? It's
So
real disgusting.
Because since I did it, I was like, holy crap. I was like,
Oh my God, I thought you were going to say, holy,
Oh no.
Holy
like,
crap. What did you do? I've got rashes on.
And I told to my best friend, like, yo, you know what I did last night? It's like, I got laid. I was like that. I was like, and then my friend was like, why did you do it? Because I was depressed and pissed off to myself. And then, yun. Sabi ng friend ko, please don't do it again. I was like, no, I'm not going to do it.
Lesson learned. The lesson here is, it's not an excuse that you're depressed, you're going through something, that you have to find comfort, right?
Yes.
With something that you might regret all your life.
Because that time, like, I didn't know where to go because my friend was already married. Everybody's already married except me. So, yeah, he's the only guy, like, acquaintance friend. So, it's like, okay, fine, let's do it.
All right. My name is?
My name is Larica.
I am from all the way from Canada.
I'm from all the way from Canada.
And right now I'm going to promise.
And right now I'm going to promise.
To myself. I will never. Drink that kind of alcohol again.
Drink. What kind of alcohol?
I will never drink that kind of alcohol again.
I will never drink that kind of alcohol again.
Even if I'm drinking it with a disease-free gentleman.
And then if
I'm drinking it with a disease-free gentleman.
With the same gentleman?
No, disease-free.
Oh, this is free.
Yeah.
Gentleman.
Sumpamen. Ayan. Okay na yun, te.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's been nice having you in this show. Thank you very much. I hope girls out there learn something from you. The do's and don'ts when we are drunk. Diba? Yeah. When you're drunk and you're a girl, please try to program your underwear with the PUK code so nobody can log in the logbook. Hayop. Ano pa?
I know. No, the only I can tell to the people out there, like, kasi lagi ako nakikinig ng Well Confession, right?
Uh-huh.
And then also, I'm a broken-hearted too. That was 2 weeks ago, but now I'm okay.
Are you happy? Are you happier now?
Yes, the new one, but the first one is not kasi nakilala ko lang siya through Love Radio.
Oh my God!
Yeah, they're both Love Radio. Those two guys I met.
Both from Love Radio website?
Yes, from your chat.
Try Camfrog.
Pero yung una, yung una kinantungan lang ako gagong yun.
Hoy! Stoy!
Sorry.
Oh no,
sorry.
Don't do that.
Sorry. Yeah, I'll tell the story na lang next time.
Yeah, alright ma. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
Okay, thanks. Thank you guys. Have a good morning.
Hey, Mark this saying hala to you.
Oh, bye-bye. Ciao.
Ciao. Kong hei fa choi.
Yeah, ano yung isa? Sinlay, forgot. Okay, kong hei fa choi.
Kaya mo na. Okay, chopstick to you.
Okay. Ciao, thanks guys.
Salamat sa pagtawag.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Mga kaibigan, social tayo mga kaibigan ha. All the way from Canada. Ontario, Canada. Would you believe that? Bien Mayor? Salamat sa pagantabay at pagdudok. Mga kaibigan, I'm way past my time. Hay nako. Nakaantabay. Yung mga nilalang. Nag-text, I love you, Dada. Sabi ni Klong Klong. I love you to, anak. Sabi dito, nag-jumble ang grammar niya. Sabi niya, what I meant is, kanina pa nag-jumble, sabi ni Joey Sarmiento. Ano ka, kaya hindi dyan, nag-jumble yung grammar eh. Yung caller pa kaya. Wow! Planet Cup, sabi dito ni ano. Makabati mo muna. Batiin ko lang ito mga kaibigan. Binabati ko po si Sina May Infante, tas Mark Medina, tsaka Elizabeth Infante. Request daw. Terrified by... Uy, wala akong ganitong kanta. Ano ba kayo? Ayoko na tuloy yung request. Mapayak. Wala kami mga plakang bago. Mga kaibigan, it's goodbye time for your DJ. I'll see you again mamayang gabi para sa ating Wednesday edition or version, kung ano man yan mga kapatid, ng programang TLC and Wild Confessions. Not because it's fun, walang lesson. There's always a lesson sa show natin ngayong gabi. And that is, do not drink with a friend may mali siya sa'yo. Diba? Diba? Kasi mapagkasamantalang, especially pag nakainom lasing na, ay nako, datagat, tingin ko na ka man, Jeda Bakir. Mga kaibigan, well, this has been me, the one and the only nice and naughty, na nag-iisang DJ na sexy araw man o gabi. My name is Papa Jack.
Cool. Hanggang labasan.
Waving goodbye to all of you na ang DJ na sobrang harta pagkakamalang bading. Ako yun. But if you're looking for some joy, I can always be your boy toy. Please, keep juggling every single day. Kailangan pa bang? Saan yung kanta ko na wala? Teka nga muna. Wala yung dapat i-play ko eh. Wala nga. Not available in the odds. Uy mga kaibigan ha, yung website namin, www.loveradio.com.ph mga kaibigan. We have... Eto lang po, bagong para mo yung lingkod kasi I'm honest and transparent po sa inyo. There will be news, changes, at please makibalita kayo kung ano yung latest sa amin sa website namin. You will be shocked. Like, what? Honestly. So, ang website namin, www.loveradio.com.ph, that's in the coming days, alright? Mga kaibigan, enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. I'll see you again tonight. Thank you very much for being with me. 5 hours and 10 minutes. Magkakasama tayo. Yeah, greatest time of my life every night. Babushka, Mamaril, Keme, na sa effectiveness. Uy, paalala lang ha. Diligyan mo na ng gata ang uhaw ng hopya. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Bisyo na to!